It's your boy V on twos, man. And we back with another video. This will be my first installment here on my cruiser, on my Shadow 750. I really should have recorded yesterday, but I didn't have my mount straight. So, you know, today will be the first ride. Me and my boys ride a lot, so a lot of content coming, But right here, if y'all don't know, we got a Hayabusa right in front of me, and a ZX14R. I don't know what gen the Hayabusa is. I think it's like Gen 2. I think he has a Gen 2 Busa. Damn. And this is the newest ZX14 my boy James got. But yeah, man, so I gotta kind of turn the music down some, because my music be stupid loud. So yeah, man, and we be outside, man. It's a little cloudy out today. I'm a little disappointed because I thought I just cleaned off my visor, but it looks horrible. I'm looking through it. I'm like, damn, this looks bad. I shouldn't even be riding. I should be asleep right now. But it's all good. That's what it is. I think I need to tighten up. I need to tighten up the bolt on my mirror. But yeah, man, so we got a lot of mods coming for this cruiser. I won't say a lot, but I'm replacing the headlight with the halo headlight, LED halo headlight. I got the Batwing fairing already waiting. I got the speakers already waiting for that. I got the head unit, the double in head unit already waiting for that. I really just got to put it all on. Quite honestly, I was thinking about doing it today, but the fella said they wanted to ride, so, you know. light jacket to ride with. Like, no wind comes through this jacket at all. I used to ride in like 30, 40 degree weather with this jacket on. And it was nice. Because the inner liner is kind of like thermal. Forgot about my legs though. I should have put some jeans on. I should have put some jeans on, man. I got on sweats. Oh man, my legs ain't crazy cold or nothing. Yo, what is these niggas doing? Just be driving stupid. Like, how you mad at us because you sat at the light? Like, and we trying to get you to go. Like, look at it again. But yeah, so this 750, I don't plan on keeping this 750 for crazy long, I'm not gonna lie. It's just not fast enough, even for a cruiser, even though I didn't buy that cruiser to go fast, really. But, you know, I still want something that that has the power to do with it, what I wanted to do, when I wanted to do it. And only being able to go 100 miles per hour just ain't a fit for me and how I ride and who I ride with. So yeah. See, the only good part about this shit for me, I grew up on these back roads right here. Like, I really taught myself how to really drive on these back roads, so I know them by like the back of my hand. But I still can't be stupid on them with this bike because this bike lean. This bike turns wide, has a wide turn radius, so. This bike has a very wide turn radius. Right here. James is going crazy slow right now. risking dropping that 14. I ain't either though. Alright. Fuck that shit. I ain't got no gear on. Tell with this test ride, a lot of these early morning rides with the fellas be test rides for my gear. I had to test out this the new GoPro setup, and yeah, it works. It definitely works. I hope we gonna go somewhere and get something to eat or something. I gotta tell them, like, we gotta start going, like, they is hungry. I ain't ate. Oh no, I ate last night, so actually I don't need to eat. I'm tripping. I ate last night when I got to work, so and that's been like 7 hours. I think I ate like at 1 o'clock in the morning, which I shouldn't even have did for real. I got that on tape. It cuts as a wild boy. dust off this joint. Oh, where's James? I know he still ain't behind that damn dump truck. Alright, y'all. Let me tap back in. So, I'm not driving extremely slow, but I'm going like 60. That's it. We're waiting for my boy James. He got stopped at a light. Alright. So, I'm driving not fast right now. Because we noticed my front tire looks like it needs some air. Like a lot of air. Like quite honestly, I feel like it's damn near flat. But not flat, you know what I mean? Like you can still drive on it. I feel like that's what it's doing right now. Like I can ride on it. I'm just trying to make it so I can go put some air, in it and see how long that air stays there. I do know these tires probably did need to be replaced anyway because they slightly dry rotted. But we'll see. If this air doesn't hold up in it, then I know that I need to replace them. But I do got a guy that's in Mitchellville that can replace the tires. Probably cost me a little over $100 to get everything done. To get the tires, because there's a guy that has used tires. So as long as I don't see no bullshit dry rot on the used tires, shouldn't be no problem with getting them. We about to stop at this joint. This joint got some bomb food. I might gotta go in here. Oh, where the fuck you going, cuz? This tire is really flat. Alright. Yeah, it's really flat. They got air at this joint. This is dire need. Okay, but it's the vacuum. Yeah, that shit going flat. Yeah, that shit going flat as a motherfucker. Yeah. Yeah. I gotta go get some change. Huh? I think it's just that these tires is old. I think this shit's dry rotted. Yeah, James. It's way lower now. Yeah, it's yeah, that's right. Yeah, I looked up. I was like, God dang. I know, that's why I was like, where you going? But I don't know, that one might not have no air.